Happy Vlogmas day 1. You guys, I have never done Vlogmas before in my life, and I'm a little bit nervous. I feel like I know it's gonna be a lot of work, and that's why I have always decided against Vlogmas. But there's just something about this year. I feel like I'm teaching from home, so I might have a little bit more time in the sense of like my lunch breaks and stuff. I don't have to, like, I'm not gonna be stuck at work. I don't have to like drive home and account for that drive. I feel like in that sense I might have a little bit more time. Anyway, I just woke up, I took a shower, threw some new PJs on. What's going on there? Threw some new pajamas on. That's the joy of working from home, is because I have pajamas on, and then when it comes time to Zoom with my students, I'll quickly just do a little something with my face and hair, throw on a nicer shirt, and then they never know I'm in pajamas from the waist down. This house is a disaster. I have cleaning products from under the sink on the couch here. We like laid a blanket down and set them there because our sink is leaking underneath, which is just so fantastic. I just love that for me. We were kind of trying to fiddle with it, but look how loosey-goosey it is. I don't know. So I ordered a new faucet. Oh my God, ignore all this stuff. We have lots of projects going on. I ordered a new faucet, so I'm hoping to get that installed or have Carlos do it, and that all will be well in the world. This stuff is for a project that I will explain later, along with that bow. I have a dress that I thought was gonna be tie-dyed, but I took the rubber bands off, and it's just a straight up light blue color. It's like, okay, fuck me then, huh? So I need to go get some navy blue RIT dye, so that way I can tie-dye this a little bit darker of a color. I will explain that to you guys a little bit later. It's a project that my brother and sister and I are doing, and it's probably gonna take over the next week of our lives. So, not really like the full week, but a few days at least this week, and I wanna definitely take you guys along with me when I go over there to complete this project, I should say. This project is a Christmas gift, so for my mom and dad. So I've already told my mom and dad, please do not watch any of my videos for December. Like, please do not watch. I didn't even think my mom really watched my videos, and the other day I posted one and she instantly was like, I really like that video, and it's like, God damn it, Lori. Like, I appreciate your support, girl, but let's not hit that like button and subscribe for at least December 2020, because I don't want the surprise to be ruined. If you are someone who regularly sees my mother or father, do not mention any of this to them at all. Please do not ruin the surprise, because I will hunt you down and I'll kill you. Just kidding. But I really will be pissed, so do not. It is 8:30 right now, and I technically start work at 8:45, but I've already done that work that I would have done at 8:45. So my first Zoom meeting with my students is at 9:30 this morning, and I'm excited to see them. I'm gonna go ahead and drink my coffee, put a little bit of a face on here so I don't scare my students away, and then I'll check up with you guys in a bit.
Are you vlogmasing?
Vlogmasing! Already started. So I blow dried my hair as much as I can, and then I just threw on just this top from Shein with a little cardigan over it, threw a necklace on, did a little bit of makeup, and we are ready for our first Zoom meeting. I typically set up my work computer on a box of Kleenex. I'm fancy over here. Just so that they're not getting like this angle of me, and they're actually getting an angle like head on. And then I have our December calendar of activities that we'll be doing for the whole month, but I kind of follow for what we're doing today, which today we are doing our question of the day. I have some announcements, and then we're doing one like longer ELA activity, like a reading activity. It's actually reading, but it's also like a vocational activity, because it's about this one girl. We like follow along her journey of like obtaining a job. Then I get out my notebook because I need to take attendance and jot down any other notes I might have. Hi, buddy. How are you? Morning, Jeff. Whoa.
What's that about?
Do you have... Look at you, you're dressed.
What is going on?
Oh my god, I love it.
What is that?
He has a filter on him. Go Giants. December 1st, you guys, we're in a new month. The last month of the year. We are in December. Time is flying. I cannot believe it. Alright, you guys, I just finished my first Zoom meeting and I do have a short break. I just cut up a little bit of turkey and a little bit of ham, and I'm gonna put this in a pan with some egg whites. I know that probably sounds disgusting, but it's delicious. All right, I lied. I was gonna do the cut up turkey ham with scrambled eggs, but I didn't. I have a teeny bit of mashed potatoes and then a teeny bit of green bean casserole. This is the last of the Thanksgiving food I didn't want to waste, so I decided to just eat that for breakfast. It's actually, well, yeah, it's definitely breakfast. It's 10:37. All right, definitely on my list of things to do this week is clean this film room because it is a hot ass mess. So I'm just using the sticky back or adhesive back vinyl in just a random color because I'm using it just as a stencil. We're just cutting out the words Stockton asparagus because this is what I'm gonna try to recreate. Stockton asparagus. And then I'll probably just like paint some black and white detailing there to make it look somewhat similar. So this is the stencil that I have going on. And I just need to place. And then I need to pick out all of the like the innards of the O's, A's, P's and get that on there. Well, it looks like that's our asparagus. I mean, close enough. Okay, so for one of the outfits, my sister needs a pleated skirt and we couldn't find one. So I got 2 yards of fabric and I am pleating her a frickin' skirt. Is that the way to say it? Pleating? I don't know. But I'm just using an iron, folding it under and then ironing it. And then I'm going to do this the lazy way and just put hot glue here at the top. I'm just now leaving my mom's. It's about 6:30. It's so freaking dark out. I'm wearing a muumuu. Another little outfit change. I needed this for a picture we were taking. So the thing that we're doing, this project, I'm just gonna get it out there now, is we picked 12 pictures, Mary, Matt, and I, from when we were younger, and we are recreating them for my parents. And we picked 12 of them because we're gonna put one on each month of the year for a calendar for them. So we always order them a calendar from Costco, but this year it's gonna be a little bit different. A little calendar with a twist, because we usually put pictures from like all of the travels we've done throughout the year. And where have we gone? 2020, nowhere. So we've been wanting to do this for years, but we've just never done it because we knew it was gonna be a lot of work, so that's what we're doing. I almost wanna make like one full video dedicated to just the calendar instead of over the course of a few vlogs. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but I do know I'm gonna pop in some footage here of our night because it was unreal. All right, you guys, I just got to my mom's house with bags on bags on bags of stuff. So we picked 12 pictures from when we were younger and we are recreating them and putting them on a calendar for my mom. We're gonna do like, and dad, we're gonna do like the old picture and then the recreated picture side by side. So outfit 1 is a real winner. I'll pop it up on the screen right now. And we're getting ready to go recreate it. Look at the shorts! I am dying. This is the makeshift fucking skirt. Oh, it got wrinkly. Hopefully there's enough material on my back. There's 2 of them and I figured we could just clip it on.
Oh, the hat. Didn't I have a hat in that picture?
Yeah, but we're just gonna have to crop. Oh, we don't have a bucket hat? No.
I had a Niners one.
I had a black one.
We gotta just crop it on at the end. Some of this is for sure gonna be the power of editing because, wow.
Ew, David!
It's dead ass the fucking same.
Why would you wear those shorts today, David? With your hands.
Ew, David!
Thanks, good. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Just pretty much haphazardly not giving a fuck.
What's our back?
You guys, I cannot get over this. Okay, Matt, a teeny step that way, and Mary, because I don't want to get Mary's car. Alright, I'm just gonna keep snapping.
Am I doing it?
Yeah, no, you were doing it.
Keep doing it.
Don't move, because my phone takes a bit. Do you want to redo?
Well, yeah.
We were in a
Okay,
pretty good
Just do it, cup.
position, you know.
Mary, I am fucking crying! I'm scared from the fucking back!
Come on.
I'm in tears!
We gotta be efficient.
There's just nothing. Alright, I literally ordered adult water wings on Amazon. That's gonna be good enough. Cause you're kind of tilted forward. I swear to God. Oh my God.
Arm around my neck.
And then I'm just like this.
Wait, I need to see a picture. Nicole. So Matt's the main focus of the picture. Matt's around me and I'm like this.
And then tuck that chin, yeah, cause you're. Why don't you scoot up here, cause that's where you guys actually are. Come here, Josie. Come on. Matt, you gotta turn your head. There you go. And Mary, you gotta be on top of his ear.
God!
Cause you're not listening.
I can't move my neck
Yeah,
like
just
that.
like that. Just like. And now you're gonna get up and rest it on there.
You gotta put your hand out a little bit.
Okay. Matt looks dead ass constipated. I think that's good. This one.
Oh my God!
This is the next one. Mary's getting dressed and I'm about to put on my. Damn it, my fucking head hurt. Okay.
I don't like this shirt, but it's.
No, we had the same side. And then I had a little hair right here. And a little hair right here.
Hold on, let's take a picture of us all wearing the.
Like this.
Okay.
So you're gonna take it?
Hang on.
Oh yeah. How do
Wait, am I
set this-
turning
How do I
this
set the timer?
I got it right here.
Thinking, how do I set the timer?
All right, you guys, I just got home. Tell me that was not so unreal. So we only got about 3 or 4 pictures done. We definitely have quite a bit more left to do. So I might be going back over there tomorrow to maybe hopefully get a couple more done. I'm not sure yet, but as of right now, I am gonna go eat dinner. I am going to get ready for bed, upload all of this footage, edit it, get the video uploaded and scheduled for tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it was definitely a wild one already on day 1, but if you guys did like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.